boys and girls and families. I'm Mrs. Grinstead. I'm going to be your teacher for this year in first grade. Later in this video, you're going to get to have a tour of our classroom, and I'm going to show you outside of our classroom so that you'll be able to find your way to our room tomorrow morning, whether you ride the bus or if someone drops you off. I'm so excited. Can't wait to see you tomorrow. Welcome to room 7. This is where you're going to be spending your year. This is our classroom. At this table right here, that's where we will be having our small group time. Here are all of your desks. The front of the room, we have a section right here that says, let's earn it. As a class, we'll be able to earn rewards. So we're starting off with peanut butter and jelly. So every time I see or another adult sees you as a class doing something awesome, you'll earn a piece of bread with either strawberry or grape jelly to go on our chart. Once it's full, the class has earned a reward. It won't be peanut butter and jelly though. We have our daily schedule, which will change every day. Over here, there are some things that I'll be passing out to you, but we can check it out books from our classroom library, which our classroom library is back here. Each of you are going to have your own book basket where you'll get to keep your books and headphones. Here's the classroom library, which you'll be able to check books out of. We have our clip chart, our calendar, this red pocket where extra work is going to go. We have a hundreds chart, counting by ones, tens, and hundreds. Birthday chart, I still need to write your birthdays on there. And this is where you will come in and mark your lunch count. You'll either mark that you have a lunch from home, school lunch, and I'm going to add another one. That's going to be if you brought your lunch from home, but you need a milk. Here's a chart for touch math, which you'll be learning about. You'll be turning papers into these different slots. There are some whiteboards that we're going to be using this year. So this is your classroom. This is room 7. Is our classroom from the hallway looking in. If you look up right above our door, there's a painting of the little engine that could. I think I can, I think I can. That's going to be one big clue for you to be able to find our room in the morning. Look for that tile. You can also look at the numbers. We're room 7 with my name, and then it says we're wild about first grade. On the other side of the hall, you can see our board.